Hello, friends. Welcome again. And this is my new project, Online Nursery Store, or you can say that e-nursery store also. So this project I have developed in Spring Boot, Angular, and MySQL. So for microservices, we have used Spring Boot to develop, and the JDK version we are using JDK 1.8, and we are using Tomcat server for running that microservices, and for database we are using MySQL, right? So this is for the server-side technologies: Spring Boot, Java, Tomcat, and for IDE I'm using STS Spring Boot tool suites. For Angular part, we are using Visual Studio, and Angular version we are using Angular version 12, right? And all of the development we have done on Visual Studio Code. So for Spring Boot, we have used STS. So you can see this is the STS, and for Angular part, we are using Visual Studio Code, right? And for port, we are running the Spring Boot microservices on port 8080, and Angular we are running on port 4200, right? So these all are the technology stacks we have used for developing this project, Online Nursery Store. So this is the structure for the Java part, means Spring Boot part. So you can see this is the src, and these are the you can say these are the folder structure. All of the controllers are available in the controller. All of the models are available in the models. Repositories are available in the repositories, right? So this is the structure part of the Spring Boot part, right? For Angular part, we have used the components and all, right? So we are running the Angular part from this, you can say the command line, right? So these all are the things we are using. So let's start with the functionality go through. So we have developed this project for selling the nursery, the plants online, right? So there are two types of user here. The first one is a customer, second one is a admin, right? Customer can explore the website, and customer can see all of the product details which is available, and admin can see all of the order details and all, right? And admin can manage the products, means the plants, right? So once you run this project on port 4200, you will get the home page. So this is the home page. These all categories are coming from the database. Once you click on that part, you can see the list of all plants which belongs to that category, right? And if you click on the details, then you will be able to see the details of the plant. Even you can post a comment here. You can see this. You can post the comment here, but for posting the comment, you must have the login details, right? So this is the about this is a static page. There is nothing dynamic on it. This is all a category. All of the categories are coming from the database, and there is a management system available in the admin part where admin can manage all of the categories. So you can see vegetables and all. You can search the product from here also, like I am searching for the bulb and search. Then you will be able to see all of the plants which belongs to that category. If I search for vegetable, so you can enter the part, and you will be able to see all of the parts which contains the vegetable, veg, or the keyword veg or category veg, right? This is the all products. You will be able to see all of the products, right, which we have added into the database. So currently we have 9 products available. This is a login. So there, this is a customer login from where customer can log in. This is the admin login from where admin can log in, right? So let me go back. Right? So admin can log in. So there are two types of UI available here. For admin, we have developed a separate UI. For customer, we have developed a separate UI. Right? This is a registration from where customer can register and customer can order the plants. This is a contact from here. Customer can enter contact details, and it will be saved into the database, and it will be displayed to the admin. This is a feedback. Admin can write the, sorry, anyone can write the feedback, and this will be displayed to the admin. Right? So I'm going to the customer part. So user ID is amit@gmail.com and password is test. Once you log in, then you will get this dashboard, right? So what the operation customer can perform? Customer can go home, dashboard, about us, all categories, all products, my cart, my orders, and my accounts. On my cards, you will be able to see what are the items available in his cards. My orders, you will be able to see all of the orders which has he placed earlier, right? So once you click on this arrow, he will be able to see the details of all order, right? And then the my account, he will be able to see his account details, right? Now I am going to add some things into the cart, and I am going to make some payments, right? So all category vegetables, and I am going to see the details. You can see this comment section has been enabled, and you will be able to post the comments, right? So add to carts, once you click on add to cart, the item has added into the cart. And then the grains and this details add to cart. So you can see I have added two items into the cart, and all products, this one details add to cart. So I have added three items into the cart. But if I want to delete any cart, just click on the delete button, and that item will be deleted from the cart. So there are two buttons, checkout and continue shopping. Once you click on the continue shopping, it will redirect to the home, the product page. From here you can add again the product, right? So once you click on the checkout, it will ask your card details, right? So you can add any, this is the dummy card details, no need of entering any correct values. So card types, year, month, and make payment. Once you click on the make payment, you can see the payment has been made, and your order ID is 294, and you can print the receipt also. The details are available here, and you can see your orders here, 294. This is the 294, and once you click on this, you can see the details of 294 orders, right? So these are the functionalities of the customer side. Once you click on the logout, then you will be logged out. Now I'm going to log in as an admin. So user ID is admin, and the password is test. Okay. So this is the admin panel. You can see the admin panel is totally different, right? So this is the product management. Admin can see all of the products which he has added. He can edit, he can update the product, right? He can add a new product, right? Submit. So validations are here, so he can't submit a product without the filling all of the details. This is a category, and you can see these categories are coming from the database. This drop down is totally dynamic. This is a category management. This is a Crud application, create, read, update, and delete operations, right? So he can add the category, he can update, choose the image file, and he will be able to save the details. He can edit the categories, he can update the categories. This is the all orders. These all are the orders which has been placed by all customers. You can see this is the last order which has been placed. Once you click on this, then admin will be able to see the details of that order. This is a customers. These are all customers who has registered. Customer admin can add new customer also. Even admin can edit the current customer also. Right? You can see edit, and admin can delete the customer also. This is a contact us report. These all of the contact us which has been submitted by the customer from the front-end panel. It will be displayed to the admin. He can delete the things also. This is a feedback report. All of the feedback which has been submitted by customers will be displayed here. Admin can read that feedback also. And the logout. Once you click on the logout, then all of the session will be destroyed, and you will not be able to log in inside the system. Means you will not be able to access the internal pages. So these all functionalities we have developed inside this project online nursery store. As I told you earlier, this is a major project developed in Java, Spring Boot, Angular, and MySQL. For Spring Boot sites, we are using the microservices, JPA, Hibernate, and for tools, we are using STS. For the front-end side, we are using Angular version 12, and the IDE we are using Visual Studio Code. So these all things we are using for developing this project. So if you need customization inside this project, if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comments. We will incorporate those changes. We will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.